Hi YouTube and welcome to another build showcase video. In this one we're making an Italian style leather long wallet. We will be using these templates and natural vegetable tan leather which has not been oiled and dyed. If you want to make a long wallet like this yourself, there will be a full step-by-step video and PDF pattern available on the 24th of June. If you like the video, please consider subscribing as this will help the channel grow. First things first, of course, we mark and cut out all the needed pieces like so. Then, skive and thin out all needed pieces for work. It is time to use our Neasefoot oil and oil down our pieces. After that, I will be dyeing them with a walnut color dye. After that is done, we finish everything off with tang coat. Now it's time to glue in our first piece. Then, we come back to the coin pouch and finish off the zipper part with edge coat. Now it's time to glue in our zipper. Then we move on to our first pocket. This will be our card slot pocket. So roughen up the edges and glue it in. Then it is time to secure our zipper, so just stitch it all up. Then I mark the sides and the middle part for our card slots. Then punch and of course stitch it all up. Now let's move on to our coin pouch. Here we do the same. Glue in, prepare the top and then move on. Now there's gonna be a lot of back and forth. Firstly, we move on to our handle. We prepare our handle and then jump right back to our coin pouch and finish the top part. By beveling and edging it with dye. Then back to our handle. I make holes, connect them, come back to our coin pouch, stitch the top, and glue it in. Now I round out the wallet to give it a better look. Then of course bevel, mark your hole lines, punch them through, and stitch it all up. After that is done, it is time to finish everything with sanding paper and edge coat. And there you have it, an Italian style leather long wallet. The build is pretty easy and does not require a lot of skill, but time and patience is still essential. If you all enjoyed this video and would like to see more, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on another one.